Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be making white chocolate cookies. You're going to need 128 grams of self-raising flour, 160 grams of white sugar, 64 grams of melted butter, 2 egg yolks, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and the final ingredient, 64 grams of white chocolate chips. So once you have all of these ingredients, let's get started. So to start off, you're going to add your butter to a mixing bowl. You're then going to add your white sugar and fold your sugar into your butter. Next, you're going to add in your vanilla extract and fold it in. You're going to add in your egg yolks, ensuring you add them one by one, and then you're going to fold them in. Now add in your salt and fold it in too. So next you're going to add in your flour and fold it in until your cookie dough is formed. Then you're going to add in your white chocolate and fold it in as well. Finally, before baking, you're going to put your cookie dough in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes so that it can harden a little. After you've removed your cookie dough from the fridge, you're going to use a scoop to create even-sized cookie dough balls. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and leave your cookies to bake for 8 to 12 minutes. So this is the final result, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.